to the world of John Wick. Will be joining us inside the Continental to see the world of Mr. John Wick. Here's the cab. That's cool. That's pretty awesome. All right, see you guys inside.
Mrs. Roper, your landlord's right there.
Champagne to start the night off.
Oh, nice.
Good to see you all. Where are you coming from?
We're coming from Queens and Brooklyn.
All right, the Queen of Brooklyn's here.
The Queen, the King of
And then we got
Queens.
Laverne and Shirley in my bar. Look at this. Laverne, where are you coming from? You flew all the way here to this sanctuary from Paris. Did you? Hey, I want you to do me a favor. You go in there after I excuse you into the main lobby. You talk to the concierge. Good to see you. Well, if we haven't had the pleasure, my friends, the name's Roy. And you are new here. Yes, you are. That's right. Never seen your pretty little face before. God bless your hearts. Yes, you are here at my bar. Which means, again, we have a little line of work getting done. So, you go nowhere. You get your fire at the Continental hotels. Anybody know what that one rule is? No business on the Continental grounds. This here's a sanctuary. Do you think there's a price to be paid if you break that one rule? Sexy beard, you're goddamn right there is. You see this? Breaking this rule, the manager is now pissed off. You heard her earlier. She is madder than a wet hen. You know who else is upset? The high table. Anybody not know who the high table is? The high table is God on a bad day. Didn't get that last day of rest. That's right. She's more pissed off than a one-eyed, one-legged cat trying to bury turds on a frozen pond. See, they want this rogue assassin. They want this young lady, this young killer, dragged down, drag her out back so she can get her head thumped. Because if you have broken the one rule here, you're now what we call an inimicus. Can you say that with me? Inimicus. That's right. And inimicus means an enemy of all of us. Right? If you are an enemy who has broken that one rule, there is now. It started like mild milk toast, and then kind of crept its way up. Let me try that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Get the hell out of my bar, would you? Smells like pickled pork rinds in here. Go on, go on.
Continental exchange. Coin exchange. Hung up on you?
I don't know who I'm with agora, but I want to think it.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna die or something, I don't know.
I don't know. Since Mr. Wick was here. That's sex, bro. You don't have sex. What the fuck are you talking about? Not you said no sex. For a good time, call 217 Fournier. This one has no sex, the other one had sex. You get another business card. Oh, we're gonna call that number now. Alright, hold on. Be different, but they're not. What's going on over here? Yo, somebody died here. Oh wow. Oh no. Yo. We're a disaster.
You keep talking and I'm just trying to get the video.
Can I ask you a question, Chef?
Of course.
Do you have any belongings of the person?
But I don't know if I do or not.
Can we see the potential belongings that you don't know if they are or not?
Please.
Oh,
I'm a bit scared. Anybody else got something from somebody else?
what?
Who gave you your recipe card? If you got the one, you might have got it from a concierge, tall man, mustache, all the accent.
It's amazing. Oh, there's the recipe cards. Take those. Oh my god. Dave.
Okay, true.
Come on in, you better make a better window, right? Hello. You want to see Mr. Wyatt?
Yes, sir.
He in a bucket. Oh, you noticed that, huh?
Yeah.
I found it in the freezer.
Oh.
Somebody put it in the freezer, and I think that's why someone's trying to stick this to me. Because a suitcase don't go in a freezer, am I right?
Chef. We know who did that, Chef.
Whoa,
It's a man with a cape.
with a cape,
Shouldn't have the key in the
Went
kitchen.
in,
That's like
and then he came out.
like a Zorro, okay?
Yeah,
Yes.
Like a Batman.
Yes.
Got Adam West.
What?
See how all these references from before the 78? Okay, good.
Oh my god. You're really into it.
You want to help me open this?
Yes, Chef.
So I'm gonna have him do it. Already, look, see
I
that
don't like
is
upstairs.
that is open. You want to do the same to this. So you press down with this.
Here we go.
Yes, very good. Use your fingerprint. Good.
Oh.
Okay, you want to open, yes? All right. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
I know we love it. Coastal
What's inside?
You want to see?
Yeah.
What's inside?
What is it? Little.
A little meat to watch over you. Yeah, it's a bit of a red flag. You want to open it?
Yes, Chef.
Use your fingerprint. The little monkey. I'm gonna look to the monkey. You here, take a shot. You here, take a boot. Everybody here, you take another boot. Yeah, look to the pants. I knew you was going for it.
Can I ask you a question?
I'm gonna answer. I don't know. Go ahead.
If you found it in the freezer, do you know who it belongs to?
No.
Okay.
What you find
There's a map.
is a map
Yeah.
of what? The Continental?
No.
No. Palm Springs. And it says Forever Home,
Wonder Valley.
Wonder
Yeah.
Valley. We put my grandma on a Forever Home. This don't make no sense.
Chef, you're so funny.
Well, looks aren't everything. Our new home, huh? Our new home. So this is our little monkeys, huh? It's say our new home. You want to fold them and put them back, yes? Thank you very much. Very nice. Very kind. Yes, you fold this before you put it back, yes? It's just a boo.
Yo. Oh my god. Come on, now it's just a boot,
So
bro.
this is a little monkey. I think I see. Anybody here have a little monkey here?
You have a little monkey?
No, that's a. I'm not touching that. No. I heard of a little monkey today. When they bring up Mr. Wyatt, I never really cut up nobody before, so I think our best place to start is going to be the back fat. A good idea, yes?
Sure.
Yes, you roll him over, you look in the back, but he ain't got no back fat. What he did have on was a robe, and this was in here. And I was looking at it, and I think I saw something said a little monkey, but I'm not the strongest reader. And between a cutting up a body and a cleaning up of blood, who's got the time? Yeah, put together. You have to go in there. I don't need to read this.
Hi there, take a seat, sir. Fill out the form, please.
Okay.
Today, I swear. And then they're surprised that a murder was committed here. I can't. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Folks, it's very simple here in accounts payable. You sit, you fill out the form, you snap your photo, and then you get the hell out of here. It's very straightforward. When you are done with your form, clipboard stays on the chair, form comes to me. Oh my gosh, now Kevin, listen. Stay safe out there. I don't know what's happening here today. 25 years in which location, sir?
Tokyo and Rome combined.
Notate how many in each, please. What do you mean unknown?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Do you have any tattoos?
I do. Yes.
What do you have? You wrote unknown.
Oh, I thought it was for the other body.
No, hon.
Okay. A Scorpio tattoo and a stickman figure.
Okay, go ahead. Take your photo, honey.
Okay.
I've got one seat available right here. Drink on my desk. Fill out the form, please.
She said the Elite is a great code name.
You're gonna need your phone, honey.
Okay.
You need the QR code to scan, and you can't choose your weapon, so you're versatile.
Yeah, like it depends.
All right. All right, lovely. You can step over. I got one seat available.
Exit only. What's that?
At the back there.
In the back?
It's in the back there.
Oh, all right. Oh, I don't know. I thought it was part of the gimmick. All right, we go in here. Yes, we'll this way.
My dad was John Slow. I barely saw him.
Hey, anybody want to practice that pudding? You got a luggage tag, I'll take that. Thank you. Hey, wanna go for it? Yeah. Anyone got a luggage tag? You got a luggage tag?
This luggage tag's there.
Nobody?
Room number 1192. Train date January 18th.
Oh yeah, you saw me out there. Oh yeah. I'll talk about that. Okay,
First and last night's ball game on a home run by Roy White. We talked to Roy about that home run and other conditions in left field.
Oh, you like my chopsticks? Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much all I eat is takeout, you know?
I'm trying to listen to the game.
Oh, you're trying to well, believe me, I want to listen too.
I hope Reggie hits a home
Yeah,
run.
you're a New York fan with a Chicago hat. How about that? Yeah, so...
I migrated there.
Okay. So,
Oh my God, yo, what the hell? Bro. Dude. Oh my God. We're all gonna die. This is where we all die tonight.
I hope you're not trying to escape my gaze.
Boy.
Because you just got it. To an institution such as this one, and being a registered member of Continental family, is that you pledge your allegiance to us. I need to know where you stand without a shadow of a doubt. Now, I know that you've been wandering the halls. It's for the good people who are loyal. And this side, oh, you're just in time. Have a seat.
Doesn't matter. Everybody's gonna die. Loyal, traitor, whatever. They're gonna kill us all. See? This guy's gonna kill me, bro. This guy really wants to put the hammer right through my head.
Relationship with the deceased.
Mr. Roy and Mr. Wyatt.
Yes, we found a suitcase wherein there was an outfit, a cowboy-esque outfit that was very similar to
All right, so, okay. Listen, you, sir. It's not Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy is accounted for. I do want to get, this woman is very excited to contribute. And I'm wondering about this cowboy theory. Go ahead, John, stand up.
Cody strangled
Stand up,
Mr. Wyatt.
Start again.
Cody strangled Mr. Wyatt.
Cody Jackson?
Yes.
Why? How do you know this?
Little monkey told me.
Wait. Little Monkey is Cody Jackson's code name. I was hoping for like a he who smelt it, dealt it situation. But you got nothing for me, no stink.
Truly was not paying attention.
Okay, sit down and stop it with the comments, young man. I'm not familiar.
I'm sorry. A couple decades.
Yeah, don't know what you're talking about.
78.
So you're suggesting, I'm glad that for you, this is a hot, sexy time. I hope this serves you well.
It has been.
Okay, fantastic. She's making it about her. It's okay.
Oh my God.
I think you're onto something, and I'll tell you why. The bad breath is because he had a bad tooth. And Mr. Wyatt ordered room temperature for everyone. Pass it back. Whomever may come to take you, whether they're short or tall, whoever comes, whoever it is, kill them. Kill them all.
Kill them all.
Cheers.
Cheers.
My loyal guests, thank you for joining us. The exit is behind me. And you traitors, I never want to see your faces again. The exit is behind me. Good night. Thank you.
Kill them all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy your stay at Hotel Continental. To my left is the exit. If you need to claim some code check, please from a line right here. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, we can't take a glass? It was really cool, man.